Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you on how to use Essential Mod with CurseForge Minecraft. So if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So CurseForge is a popular platform for discovering and installing mods for Minecraft. The process of using essential mods with CurseForge involves downloading and installing the mod on your Minecraft client. So the steps are: first, install Minecraft Forge. Before you can use mods with Minecraft, you need to install Minecraft Forge. Minecraft Forge is modding API that allows mods to be loaded into the game. You can download the Minecraft Forge from the official website, which is files.minecraftforge.net. Make sure to select the version that matches your Minecraft version. Next is to download the essential mod. Go to the CurseForge website, which is curseforge.com/minecraft/mc-mods, and search for the essential mod you want to use. Once you find the mod, click on its page to access the mod details. Now check compatibility. Ensure that the mod is compatible with your current Minecraft version and Minecraft Forge version. This information is usually available in the mod page. Next is to download the mod. On the mod page, look for a download button or link. Click on it to start the download. The, download, the downloaded file will be in jar format. Next is to install the mod. Once the mod is downloaded, locate your Minecraft installation folder on your computer. So if you're using Windows, it is usually located at local disk C, then go to users, then your username, then app data, then roaming, and Minecraft. And if you're using Mac, you can find it at library, application support, Minecraft. Okay? So next, install the mod loader. Open the Minecraft Forge installer that you downloaded earlier. Select Install Client and it will automatically set up Minecraft Forge on your Minecraft installation. Then, place the mod file. In the Minecraft folder, look for a mods folder. If it doesn't exist, create one. Move the downloaded jar mod file into the mods folder. Then, launch Minecraft. Start the Minecraft launcher and select the Forge profile. Forge should now appear as a separate profile in the launcher. Then play the game. Select the Forge profile and click Play to start Minecraft with the mod loaded. You should now be able to use the essential mod you installed. Please note that the process of installing mods can vary based on the specific mod and your Minecraft version. Always check the mod's documentation or the CurseForge page for specific installation instructions if available. And that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!